Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a chicken burger and I'm really excited because I love burgers and this is one of my signature dishes. First up is minced chicken, to which I'm going to be adding some oil, salt, chili flakes, dried oregano, garlic. So in this I've added minced chicken, olive oil, garlic, salt, cracked pepper, oregano, chili flakes. And I'm going to add some butter to this as well, to my chicken patty. Once that is done, I am going to mold this into a patty. Once I have done that, I'm going to dip this in egg white so that it binds together. And then I'm going to coat it with breadcrumbs. So first here, this is my egg white. And once it's out, coat it in egg white and then with some breadcrumbs on it. This is ready to go on the pan. Slicing the bun in half. So we have normal chopped onions, some oil in the pan, very little oil in the pan. In go onions. Once the onions start sweating, which means is when they start losing their water and turning slightly pink, is when we're going to add some sugar. Once I've added sugar, I'm going to add in vinegar. So the sweet and sour taste of the onions with caramelization from sugar and the tartiness of vinegar gives this a beautiful flavor in the burger itself. We're going to just caramelize them till this turn more brown than they are right now. And this is done. I'm going to put this aside so we will use it later when we are serving our burger. Now, on to the patty. Some oil in the pan. Sorry, I take that back. And now I have added the patty to the simmering oil. We just let it get a little firm on one side before we flip it to the other side. So this is just one type of burger out of my box of burgers. You know, I love burgers. And like I said, they're one of my specialities. So we will be doing more episodes on a variation and different varieties of burgers. This is the plain old classic chicken burger. So while my patty cooks in the corner in the pan, I'm just going to toast the burger bun. Almost done. So chicken mince it is, but since it's chicken mince, it doesn't take really long to cook. But I made a nice thick patty, so I just want to make sure that it has cooked properly through and through. Don't want the center to be a bit raw, which is why I poke it with the knife to see if it is done. So now let the patty be on the side and again quickly toasting the burger buns. Just going to let this rest here. Okay, so now this sizzling patty will have melted cheese on top of it for it to go straight from the pan to the bun. First things first, in goes the salad leaf, followed by some mustard. Then I'm going to add the patty with melted cheese on top, a little more of the leaves on it, followed by some Parmesan cheese, caramelized onions. Won't even share it with any of these guys. And now I'm chopping some pickle that will go on top of the caramelized onion. touch of mustard on top. Little chili flakes. Classic chicken burger with Parmesan is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. There will be more burger episodes coming up because I'm very excited to make and show you and teach you more fun ways to do a burger. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in another episode. Till then, you all have a good day.